Die straten is gevaarlijk, ons kom woon je ons te zien.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor brazo op het dagelijks en met tranen staan ik hier.
No, they don't love me.
Place goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Yo, it's D-Dog, Tito the GOAT. Bruh. What's good, familia? It's your favorite white boy reactor from the Bay. We got no one other today than Sani Izai Mensa.
It could stop again. Well, you stop playing and I'm sucking. And it could worry me be some sin. But if I don't be sick, it also in.
And the one and only OG from back in the day. This man is a living legend. This man is a living legend. If you guys do not know who this man is, then you are not supposed to be living in PE, etc.
It's facts.
This city is not your home if you do not know who this man featuring on this track is. This is one of those top class rappers in my opinion. One of those rappers that I used to listen to. Now, I was born in 2006 now. I'm only 20 years old, but
I am shocked. Shocked! Well, not that shocked.
back in like primary school days, I think in 2015 or even in 2015 when I was in grade 3 or grade 1 2013 is when I first heard about Jaki. And I heard him in Terrible Twins, the group with Junant and Jaki. R.I.P. the legend Junant. The best flippin' rapper to ever step foot in South Africa, bro. Not all the Joburg rappers, those African rappers that are so lyrical like Wu-Tang Clan and that type of goeie from back in the day as well. I can't remember their names now, but I've heard a few tracks of them and seen videos of them and shit. But Jaki from the OG group Terrible Twins. The first track I ever heard of Terrible Twins, by the way, was Who's It Da. Was my cousin that stays next door here in the Wendy house to me. He actually introduced me to the Terrible Twins that time. And since then I went to Rehab Nation and I downloaded every album and every track of Junant and Jaki. Even that Godse Genade album. I think that's the album's name. But I downloaded that thing also somewhere. Because I have to have all this. But in my personal opinion, the best track. Wie rap die beste? Wie rap die duidelijkste? Wie is die gevaarlijkste? That is definitely my favorite song of Junant and Jaki. Even though Kat is in there. But if I had to say just them alone is the song that's literally the same as their names, Junant and Jaki. That song, I say. I'm so much getting myself fired up for this track because there's like an old school, new school legend. Oh, if you guys don't know. You know, son, Jaki, G5, Young Dirty Thugs, All-Star Boys, and all those bras have known each other for years already. But son is just now blowing up recently, I would say. But they've all known each other for years, bro. So this is basically like two old school rappers on a new school beat. Like what did Kati say on that one song with G5? Old school cats on the modern day trap. These are old school cats on a modern day trap. But we got San and Jaki. They don't love me. Sure. I won't lie to you, I've heard a few snippets of this on San's TikTok page where he just rapped the chorus with Jaki, and I've heard a small snippet of Jaki's verse when he said he doesn't want pics, he wants pay and goeie. But I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys. I'm not gonna spoil it for any of you guys. Let's check it out together because I wanna hear what the other Mensa say, what San says, because he's our Mensa. But let's check it out. Play in. Son. Yes, I meant, sir.
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, Tia.
Straat is gevaarlijk, ik woon je wat ze zien.
But they don't love me.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Verloor brazo op het dagelijks.
You see, they're saying they don't love me. But son and them are gonna come mourn you here. Yeah, they're gonna come mourn you. Yeah, they actually feel for you. If you die, they actually care. They're not like the government or the people that actually pull the trigger that doesn't care for your life or anything. He cares. He's gonna mourn you.
Met tranen staan ik hier.
Still they don't love me.
Gevaarlijk als gewoon je wat ze zien.
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, Tia.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor brazo op het dagelijks. Met tranen staan ik hier.
Still they don't love
I lose bras every day, on a daily, my bro. And I'm standing here with trane. I'm standing here with tears in my eyes as I'm busy saying this to you. You know how deep is that, bro? You know how I'm feeling inside, bro? My whole body is going cold and going chills, bro. Just this. This chorus, bro. This chorus is my favorite chorus this year. I must say that. Besides the verses, there's a lot of other verses of other artists that drop that I'm gone, yeah. But this chorus, bro, this is the best chorus I've heard this year. Besides, what is your name? Say, yeah. We're not getting to that.
Ik zie die straten is gevaarlijk. Ons gewoon je wat ze zien.
but they don't love me.
Ons verloor brazo op het dagelijks. Met tranen staan ik hier.
Still they don't love me. Staan hier verstaan dat niet. Die mensen zo in love dan niet. Maar hoe nou is zo. Dan zijn niemand er niet zalen niet.
Damn!
De mensen om te feed. Scanners wat ons niet. Rijd hier al die straten onze numbers op repeat. Ik zoek support om op te bouwen. Kom een schieler zo. Die mensen niet welkom je denk je staan.
Yo, Jackie, my bro, you're taking me back to the old days, bro. Sisters, you're taking me really back to the old days, bro. So, of that time when you and Kati used to feature so much, and you and Sasso Flick was featuring. Yo, bro. Sure, Jackie. You're taking me back in time, bro. It's not back to the future. This is back to the past, bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo, when last have you actually heard Jackie spit? I won't lie to you, Jackie. I didn't really enjoy that verse that you spat on Noba Vise Wat, but this, bro, this is something else.
2,000 years later.
This is that deep shit that your therapist wish they could hear from their client, but they just don't. They just hear all the bullshit. But yeah.
Met tranen staan ik hier.
Still they don't love me.
Ik zie die straten is gevaarlijk. Ons gewoon je wat ze zien.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor brazo op het dagelijks. Met tranen staan ik hier.
Still they don't love me. Staan hier verstaan dat niet. Die mensen zo in love dan niet. Maar hoe ons nou is zo. Dan zijn niemand er niet zalen.
People are showing us love out here. They show us all this love and stuff. But when we do a show, nobody wants to show up. Those people that show us love and all that on the media and here on the streets when we walk by, those people aren't there at our shows supporting us and all of that. Because like Jackie said, that on the pot that's coming up now that we heard earlier, he said he needs support to build. The more support you get,
6 hours later.
the more the energy is going to take over the event and make the event a phenomenal event that won't be forgotten, you know, a forgotten event, unforgotten event, I mean.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
Hier al die strate onze numbers op repeat. Ek soek support om op te bou. Kom ons gee hulle show. Die mense nie wil kom, jy think it's time to let it go. Onder domkies is gemaakt. Was toepet in die straat, maar met de mic in onze hand gaan hulle luister as ons praat. Soek ons blomme, soek het nou. Dis wat vir hierdie bou. Waar kan maar tot ons vreek om fake
yeah.
laughter show.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
My broer raak die kwaad, die goede moene.
Moet hij kom om fake love te share. Facts though. Facts though. Real recognize real. And real attracts real. And real only wants real. And that's facts. That's facts. I just made that saying up. Sure, bro. How was I feel now about that, bro? Because I'm white now. At least I'm not a boer though. I'm not a Afrikaanse boer. Even though I'm reacting to Afrikaans music, I'm not an Afrikaans boer, you know.
This bullshit! This all bullshit!
It's gonna wear shorties there in the rain with his high ass socks and his safety boots, you know, and his short shirt with the buttons. Nah, brother, that is not me. That is not me. But did you hear what he said there? You guys want me to rap for all the white people. Is that what you guys want? You want me to rap for all the white people? Like, I'm not gonna say any names, but one rapper lost his roots, bro. There's some artists out there, this big artist that lost his roots, and in his crowds, it's mainly just white people now. No offense or anything. It's just, to me, Afrikaans rappers, white people understand Afrikaans because we white people. And majority of the coloreds understand Afrikaans. 99% of coloreds understand Afrikaans. 99% of white people understand Afrikaans. So, white people, I know all this Afrikaans music because I understand the boodskap. I understand the message and the meaning that they putting into the music and all this stuff. Né? Now, I just wonder, why can't all these Afrikaans shows be so diverse? Why can't the white people also come into all these colored Afrikaans rappers and watch their bow and support them? Because if they understand Afrikaans, they'll catch the message and they'll actually know, because music you're supposed to feel, and if you feel the music, you're gonna know the music. You see what I'm saying here? You see what I'm saying here? If there's any white viewers out there, you see what I'm saying here?
Boy, look, we got ourselves a fucking evolutionary physicist over here.
So are we. Oh yeah. And then he says mos what? Something about a burger.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
Yeah, and now I'm a list for burger. Yo, ek soekie pixie, ek soekie.
I came in like a wrecking ball, and then with a hug now.
A few moments later.
Niemand in die zalen, die 100 mensen om te feed. Skinners wat ons niet. Rijd hier al die straten, onze numbers op repeat. Ik zoek support om op te bouwen. Kom eens gee hulle show. Die mensen niet wil kom, je think it's time to let it go. Onder domkies is gemaakt. Was toepet in die straat, maar met de mic in onze hand gaan hulle luister as ons praat. Zoek ons blomme, zoek het nou. Dis wat vir hierdie bou. Waar kan maar tot ons vreek, kom fake laughter show. My broer raak die kwaad, die goede moet ek sê. Gaan rap ons vir die boere, dat hy waar julle wil. Ek soek die pixie, ek soek pay. Wat dink julle van my? Kom bras me met the burger, like ek honger wat ek lei. My broers aan
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Kom bless my met the burger, is it? Dit's honger wat ek lei. He doesn't want pictures and all of that. He doesn't care about the pictures. Give him a burger because he's laying in bed hungry sometimes. He's laying in bed hungry. He doesn't care about the photos because the photos aren't going to get him paid. That's not going to make him money. That is some deep shit.
Story still the same. We're saan sa amin.
Damn!
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor brazen op het dagelijks en met tranen staan ik hier.
Still they don't love me.
Ik zie die straten is gevaarlijk, ons kom woon je ons is hier.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor brazen op het dagelijks en met tranen staan ik hier.
Still they don't love me.
Ik zit zaakje te verantwoorden, maar sjelle ding wat ons praat. Die kom ons wijs in nasie, als ons saam staan, ons kind niet vergaan nie.
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
Je niet gaan laat niemand alleen.
Yep. Screw all these parliaments. Screw the DA. Screw the ANC. Screw the DFF. Screw all the fucking political leaders.
Are you high?
I'm voting San for president. Yep. Why can't a rapper be a president?
Praat je waar, man?
Is that so wrong for a rapper to be a president? I don't think so.
Praat je waar, man?
Because our president is vertraag, ek sê. Our president is greedy. San is not greedy. San will help this country. Just hear the shit this man raps, bro. Hear the shit Zaki raps. Yo, hear the shit Jackie raps and hear the shit San raps. These two must be presidents, bro. That's what I'm saying. These two must be presidents, bro. They can help this country a lot, bro. Just with these owens, there won't be any potholes and all the daga will be illegal. Will be legal. Oh yeah.
What an idiot!
But yo, anyways.
Die is waarde, al wordt ons die betalie. Ons is dankbaar aan God, ons kind nog asemhalie. Ons kind al in die skalie.
Literally, when I just mentioned about that now, yo, what San just said there. He doesn't care about the money. He's just thanking God that he's at least breathing, that he can at least breathe, that he's still alive. Because you never know when's your time, bro. If God wants to take you out now, He will take you out now, bro. If it's your time to go, He will make it your time to go. But God still has a big purpose for San, bro. San and Jackie. That's why they still both here with us today. And I'm so glad that they're both here with us today. Because I'm just saying, if San or Jackie
Here I come. Here I come.
dies, bro, I'm gonna make sure that I'm near them when they die, so I can have a vacuum cleaner and suck their soul up with this vacuum cleaner, bro.
What the fuck? No!
Then I'm gonna put this thing in reverse, and I'm gonna put the vacuum cleaner in their back, and then I'm going to reverse their soul back into them. Then they're gonna come back to life. Then San and Jackie can continue making music for us. Oh yes, because no one's dying on my watch, bro. I'm gonna be like the what's his thing? The secret hitman on the hitman or the intruders for the rappers. Yeah. I'm the rapper bodyguard, actually. Yeah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Ek ken jy straat of verdronken ervaar nie. Kom ons hierdie nasie met die music wat ons maak ons wys. Damn! Parang God ons ken nog asemhalie. Ons ken al in die skalie, julle sit in hali. Ek ken jy straat of verdronken ervaar nie. Kom ons hierdie nasie met die music wat ons maak ons wys liefde deur die music ons ken nie mekaar verlaat nie.
Kom ons heel die music.
This bullshit! This all bullshit!
come let's heal the people through the music because there's no need to hate each other. Let's heal the people through our music so they can stop hating each other. Do you hear that shit, bro? Yo. That just makes me think more and more why San should actually run for president or consider running for president for South Africa.
And that's a fact.
This is why I say San can really consider running for president because he's got the mindset and he's got the heart of God to be able to run for president, you know. He's not twisted by greed or satanic shit and all of that. San is a genuine, humble, holy person. A respectable person. A very genuine, respectable person. And one thing I know about San, he'll never put you in danger or anything. You'll always make sure you're safe when you're around him or with him 100% all the time. No matter where you are, bro.
Kom ons maak die deure oop vir die next generasie net om waar te praat die ons weet nie wanneer word ons komali rigting is verpligting.
My bro, you just proving my point more and more, son. I can't do this to me, son. Can't do this to me, son. Hear what this man is saying here. Hear what this man is saying here. Let's make the door open for the next generation of artists and the next generation of children that's coming up, following their dreams and all of that, making it in an industry or something. Because you don't know when their time is going to come when they're gepligting. What gepligting is, yeah, what is gepligting in English? Fucking hell. See, bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Son, I'm too gerookt to react to you.
1 hour later.
You guys get what I'm basically saying there. Oh, wait. I hope you guys get what I'm saying there. Facts.
Ons staan met wisdom as ons mense van lyn af is moet ons hulle terugbring. Ons het experience.
You see, this part here ne, is why I say that San is old school. Why I think that San and all these Owens been knowing each other for years upon ends. Because if you see this one snippet of San on YouTube from years ago, I think it's like 4 or 5 years ago, he was on stage rapping this one track I can't find anywhere, bro, called D's Galvin. And he was rapping that thing on stage with G5 in the background, yo. Mr. G5, Jimmy, K2, Nilo, all of them in the background. The whole G5.
Ons staan met wisdom as ons mense van lyn af is moet ons hulle terug. Ek sê die strate is gevaarlik, ons kom woon jou ons is hier.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor praat op 'n daglikse met trane staan ek hier.
But they don't love me.
Ek sê die strate is gevaarlik, ons kom woon jou ons is hier.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor praat op 'n daglikse met trane staan ek hier.
Still they don't love me.
Ek sê die strate is gevaarlik, ons kom woon jou ons is hier.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor praat op 'n daglikse met trane staan ek hier.
Still they don't love me.
Ek sê die strate is gevaarlik, ons kom woon jou ons is hier.
But they don't love me.
Ons verloor
praat op 'n daglikse met trane staan ek hier. But they don't love me.
He's
immense. He's immense, yo. I am glad I'm one of those mense, ek sê, because this track, sure, this really bring me back, Jackie. You really bring me back to the old days, bro. I feel like I'm a little kid again listening to you, bro. And I'm glad that San actually collabed with you. And I pray to God, and I hope that San is watching this or Jackie is watching this. But I want to hear a San and Jackie album together with some G5 on and some Kiddo Black and some Def Paul and Dirty Youngsters. I don't know if they still out, if they still rapping or anything, and some Bossy Rhymes and all the old school rappers. I want to hear again. I want to see all the old school rappers from back in the day, even Shado.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Shadow in the house. Just as Galvin. I think it's Galvin, yo. He's from Galvin. One of Galvin's finest, like Tupac, bro. That bro was rapping like Tupac. Not sure if you guys remember that, bro, Shadow. But yo, I hope to see actually all the old school rappers reuniting and rapping on a track. Not rapping on a track, but on a whole mixtape. Not an album, a mixtape. Keep it old school, you know. With
How? 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 I don't know.
mixtape beats, you know, they're proper old school beats, but not like remixing Dr. Dre's beats and Eminem beats and shit like that. Original beats, but old school beats, bro. Like old school beats, you know, like 90s beats. I hope to see that shit sometime, but nah. For Jackie to come back with this track, and he's coming back on this track with San. Nah, a certified banger, bro. This is a Hall of Famer, bro. Nah, this is not me even glazing San and glazing Jackie, but this is a Hall of Famer banger, bro. Nah, San, you see when I go, if I have to go vote, nah, there by the thing, I'm gonna get a note with me in my pocket. I'm gonna write San there. I'm gonna just put it in the post there. I'm not gonna actually vote. I don't vote for politics. But yo, I'm gonna do that. But yo, you guys vote for San there at when you guys go vote again, because we gotta get this man in presidentiary. I think I used that word correctly. But yeah, that was definitely another banger for the books. I can't deny it. That was definitely a banger for the books. And yo, I hope to see you guys in the next one, because you know we're coming with more and more heat. I hope to see you guys in the next one. This was a banger with D-Dog, the GOAT.